The Dreo Inverter? The Midea U-Smart or Windmill? Perhaps the LG Smart Window Air Conditioner or the TOSOT Tranquility? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 energy-efficient air conditioners for your windows available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best energy-efficient air conditioners for windows. The 5th product on this list is the Windmill Smart Home AC. When summer hits, there is no doubt that you will wish you had brought an aircon unit sooner. This device is a great option because it is a breeze to install, even if you've never done so. Enjoy efficient and eco-friendly cooling that you can control anytime, anywhere with our state-of-the-art technology. Windmill's mission is to provide a better urban living experience, and this AC unit delivers just that. With an 8,000 British thermal unit cooling capacity and 3 speed settings, you can keep your home feeling cool and comfortable even on the hottest, most humid days and nights. Plus, the auto-dimming LED display makes it easy to see what's going on inside while adjusting settings with our user-friendly electronic controls. This AC unit is perfect for smaller spaces that need spot cooling, like a cozy bedroom or living room. It can even cool rooms up to 600 square feet, including hard-to-cool areas like home office spaces. You'll also like that this AC unit is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it a breeze to use with voice commands or track energy usage from anywhere. With total access to your cooling levels from your phone or tablet, you're always in control. Not only is this AC unit efficient and easy to use, but it's also quiet, so you can enjoy peace and quiet at home without any distracting humming noise. With its modern design and practical features, it's the perfect addition to any home looking for comfort and energy savings. Don't wait. Order yours today and start enjoying the benefits of our top-notch AC unit. Its pros are, its energy usage over time is visible and you get notifications when your filter needs to be cleaned. It comes pre-assembled and is very simple to install. And it comes with a handy remote and can be connected to Alexa and Google Assistant, making controlling the temperature more convenient. However, it automatically reverts to the eco mode when turned on. The Windmill Smart Home AC is a high-quality and energy-efficient AC that is quick to install, easy to use, and ideal for any home. Up next in 4th place is the TOSOT Tranquility. Cool off in style with the TOSOT Tranquility 2 window air conditioner. This unit packs a powerful punch, delivering efficient and whisper-quiet cooling performance. With features like the patented 3-speed turbo air vent and Energy Star rating, it's the perfect solution for creating a comfortable indoor environment while keeping energy usage in check. With a handy remote control, it's easy to adjust the settings from anywhere in the room. Plus, the one-touch power button lets you quickly turn it off when it's not needed, saving you money on your energy bill. And with a maximum noise output of just 42 decibels, you'll enjoy cool air without any annoying distractions around the house or office. Designed to fit any standard double-hung window measuring 24 to 36 inches, this AC unit can effortlessly cool spaces up to 350 square feet. We love the adjustable air vents that can be positioned to blow cool air up to 20 feet away, ensuring every corner of the room stays cool and comfortable. Plus, compared to other AC units, this one has a significantly reduced noise level, so you can enjoy peace and quiet while staying cool. With an energy efficiency ratio of 12.0 and a cooling capacity of 2200 watts, this compact window unit is perfect for apartments and smaller rooms. Installation is also a breeze thanks to its window mount option, lightweight design, and locking casters, which make it easy to move around if necessary. Don't settle for a noisy and inefficient AC unit. Upgrade to the TOSOT Tranquility 2 and enjoy powerful, quiet, and stylish cooling all summer long. Its pros are, it offers 212 cubic feet per minute airflow for maximum cooling ability. It has adjustable air vents so you can ensure it's always blowing cool air exactly where you need it. And it is one of the quietest window air conditioners on the market, with a noise level of just 42 decibels. However, it begins to struggle with spaces larger than 350 square feet. Thanks to its advanced airflow technology, the TOSOT Tranquility is sure to keep you and your family comfortably cool throughout the warmer months. Still haven't found an energy-efficient air conditioner for windows that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the LG Smart Window Air Conditioner. Indulge in the luxury of the whole home air conditioning with this next unit, because you deserve the very best. With precise temperature control and a remote-controlled LCD window unit, you can easily adjust the temperature to your liking. And with voice commands or a timer, you can schedule cooling to fit your exact comfort needs. Thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, you can even control your air conditioner right from your smartphone or voice assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The smart design allows you to stay in control of your comfort from anywhere, while saving energy by turning it off when not in use. With the ability to cool up to 350 square feet, this AC unit also features a low noise performance of just 52 decibels. Continuous dehumidification and up to 8,000 British thermal cooling units ensure that your entire home stays cool and comfortable, no matter where you are. Best of all, this air conditioner is designed to be easy to use. Control your unit with the touch of a button or voice command, and set schedules and adjust the temperature from anywhere. And for added peace of mind, parents can even receive notifications when the room temperature gets too warm or cold, ensuring the little ones stay safe and comfortable all year round. With room-to-room temperature management and convenient smartphone control, this whole home air conditioning unit is the ultimate in comfort, convenience, and efficiency. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade to one of the best around and start enjoying your home in perfect comfort today. Its pros are: it's a high energy efficiency rating of 12.0 energy efficiency ratio rating and an Energy Star certificate. It can produce up to 220 cubic feet per minute of airflow and generates anywhere from 54 to 60 decibel noise levels. And its 3 cooling and fan speeds with auto cool allow you to customize for cooling. However, it can be difficult to connect to Wi-Fi first. The LG Smart Window Air Conditioner is a combination of performance and efficiency. It delivers superior cooling on hot summer days with a slim wall-mountable design. The second product on this list is the Dreo Inverter Window Air Conditioner. Transform your bedroom into a cool, serene oasis with the Dreo Inverter Window Air Conditioner. This unit is perfect for large rooms, such as family rooms or offices, and is Energy Star certified, making it an excellent investment for any home looking to keep the power bills under control. With year-round cooling capabilities, you can enjoy a comfortable environment in the spring, summer, and fall without worrying about overheating. Moreover, this ultra-quiet air conditioner features sound-minimized technology, 42 decibel whisper quiet operation, metal blades, and a solid construction, ensuring maximum energy savings and tranquility. The unit is designed to fit into any window type with ease and features an intuitive control panel that allows you to regulate the cooling temperature precisely. There are no limits to the comfort this unit can provide for you and your loved ones. We also love the easy installation process that includes pre-drilled holes on the frame to hang brackets in your window. This dependable and energy-efficient air conditioner seats quickly and easily in windows ranging from 19 to 36 inches wide, and it's perfect for cooling large rooms. What's more, it features a washable air filter, offering the perfect combination of cooling and clean air. On top of that, the fingertip control panel allows you to adjust the air conditioner anytime and anywhere, while the ultra-quiet operation guarantees you a peaceful night's sleep. With a sleep mode that minimizes noise, it's the perfect unit for every room of the house. Its pros are: it's a seasonal energy efficiency ratio rating of 15.0, providing high-level energy efficiency and cost-effectiveness. It has a 5-in-1 functionality and provides you with the 5 operational modes of cooling, dehumidifying, circulation, automatic, and sleep mode. And it has noise cancellation technology that keeps the noise level as low as 42 decibels, providing minimal to zero disturbance in the background. However, its remote control isn't the easiest to decipher, as it can be tricky to tell what mode you've put it in. The Dreo Inverter Window Air Conditioner is the ideal cooling solution for single rooms, large rooms, and living rooms of your home. It fits perfectly in small spaces and with 3 preset cooling settings and intelligent modes. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top energy-efficient air conditioner for Windows is the Midea U-Smart Inverter. Get ready to experience the ultimate in home comfort with the best air conditioner available today. This powerful unit boasts a whopping 8,000 British thermal units, which can cool up to 350 square feet of your home, providing cool relief during even the hottest summer days. What's more, this air conditioner is designed with energy efficiency in mind. It can help you save up to 35% on energy, making it an excellent investment for your home. With a low noise level of only 42 decibels, you can enjoy peace and quiet while staying cool. But that's not all. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can control your air conditioner from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. You can even use voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for added convenience. The intuitive controls allow you to adjust the temperature and fan speed with ease, while the open window flexibility option ensures that your space is cooled efficiently and comfortably. What's more, with the sensor-controlled operation, this air conditioner will adjust the temperature and fan speed based on your room conditions, meaning you can sit back, relax, and let it do all the work for you. Plus, The wireless remote control adds to the convenience, allowing you to adjust the air conditioner from anywhere in the room. And let's not forget about its stylish and compact design, making it perfect for apartments and small homes. Say goodbye to hot and stuffy indoor air and hello to the ultimate in-home comfort. Don't settle for anything less than the best air conditioner available this summer. Choose the Midea U-Smart Inverter today. Its pros are: the U-shaped design makes it quick to install and allows your window to still open when needed. You can effortlessly change the setting on the air conditioner directly from the app. It is extremely quiet as the compressor is behind the glass, and its anti-theft mechanism locks the closed window for added security. However, it makes a bit of an annoying beep every time you press a button. The Midea U-Smart Inverter is a brilliant unit for tight spaces. It features an innovative new design to help maximize your window space while keeping the cold air contained and reducing outside noise. So, if you're looking for the most practical and energy-efficient window-mounted air conditioner on the market, this is the one for you. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.